Hello guys, welcome back to Smizzare, and in this video I'm going to make the Apple website clone. So this is the part 2. I had made a video a few months ago, I mean 6 to 7 months ago. So I'll just launch this website. As you can see that we had made this kind of website. So back then it was like this, and now since iPhone 13 has launched, so the website has changed a little bit. So I'm not going to do anything over here. Instead, now we are going to make the lower parts like these things. So I'm going to make according to current website. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. Okay guys, so I already have my VS Code open over here, and now let's start coding. So first of all, I'm going to make a section, and in that I'm going to use this iPhone 13 font and then your new superpower, learn more by, and I'm going to just take a screenshot of this image. Alright, so let us start. So first of all, I'll come out of this section class home, and then I'm going to make section dot, let's name it section dot sec2. All right, and in that I'm going to put a text named like p dot title 2, I think sec2 title. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write iPhone 13. All right, now let's see. Over here, as you can see, iPhone 13 has come. So I'm going to style it, don't worry, right now. So I'll go back to VS Code, and what I'm going to do is I'll add another p dot sec2 sub. Okay, and here I'm going to write your new supercomputer, I guess. Let me just see how it was. Um, your new superpower. Okay, your new superpower. Your new super. All right. Now I'm going to make A's, and here I'm going to write learn more and buy. So I had done previously the same thing. So I'm just going to copy this. Oh, wait. Just going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it over here after the P. Learn more and buy. All right. So let's see how it looks. Oh, I didn't save this. Oh, all right. Here, learn more and buy has come. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a screenshot of this. So I'm going to use the snipping tool. Okay, I've saved it as iPhone2.jpg, and now I'm going to add the image over here. So img. All right, now this screenshot has come, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take I'm going to use my color picker tool, and here I'm going to pick this color. I'll just copy this, and then I'm going to use this font which I had used, this same font. Let's go here, and style.css. So first what we are going to edit is section class sec2 title. Oops, section class sec2. Okay, so section dot sec2. Let's give the height as say 50 viewport height. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. I think it is correct. Yeah, I think it is correct. And I'm going to reduce this, but later we'll do that later. And I've got to change the font size and all. So what I'm going to do is to make this display flex and flex direction column, and then background color, control V, hashtag. All right, align items, center, justify content, center. All right, now let's save it and see how it's looking. Oh, 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 oh. Not very good. I'm going to see what has happened over here. Okay, so first let's remove the height thing. We'll add that later. All right, or we won't add that. Yeah, now it's better. Now it's much better. See? Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is iPhone 13 inspect. Um, yeah. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to um, change the colors and all and font size. So p dot sec 2 title, and here I'm going to write font and all. So I'll just go to main text and font size 54 pixel, font weight 600. Alright, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it over here, and font family Poppins, copy. I think this is the one. Yeah, I think it is. And I'm going to paste it over here. Alright, now let's see. Yeah, it is very like this, and I think I just want it like this. Font size is also proper. I've got to give the margin from top. Oh yes, I've got to give margin. I'll just remove align item center. Oh no, I had to remove justify content center, my bad. Yeah, now I'm going to give margin from top. Let's see how much margin should we give. I'll just increase this sec2 title, margin top is, let's say, 30 pixel. Let's increase it. 39 pixel. Let's copy it. 39 pixel. Yeah, 39 pixel is good. So I'll just add it here. Empty. 39 pixel. All right. Color white. I don't like this color a lot. The background color. I don't think it is very good, but it's okay. We are going to make a clone, so we have got to act according to them. So I'm going to give this a font color. Let's pick it. This color, yes. I'll just copy it. Control C, and let me see what's the ID or class. So the class is sec2 sub. I'll just copy it, and here I'm going to write p dot sec2 sub, and here I'm going to give a color and this. Oh, oops. This color. All right. Yeah. Yeah, now it is looking better. And I'm going to use this font over here. in this. So what's the class? Let me see. Class is second text. So I'm just going to go here and I'm going to find second text. Font size 22 pixels. I think it's Poppins. Yeah, I think it's Poppins. Yeah, Poppins. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to copy this font size 22 pixel and I'm going to paste this over here and font family Poppins. Alright, now let's see how is it looking. Yeah, much better. Okay, now I've got to style this, learn more and all. So hyperlink, margin, top. Oh, wait. If I give margin from top, it is also going to give margin to these. So I don't want that. So I'll just give this a margin bottom. Okay, margin. Let's say 10 pixel. I think, yeah, 10 pixel should do. So let's just go to VS Code and give sec to sub a margin of 10 pixel, margin bottom 10 pixel. Alright, now I've got to change the font. So let me see which font is this. Again, Poppins. I'm just going to use Poppins. Um, mm, I'm going to paste it over here. And if we go over here, so yeah, now it's looking better. See. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the size of this image. So inspect and I'm going to create a class. Yeah, I think 900 is good. Perfect. 900 is perfect. Yeah. So I'll just copy this whole and I'm going to paste it over here. Alright, now I'm going to save this and let's see. Oh, it is looking very good and very identical to this. Also, I'm missing one thing. It is I've got to make this sticky. Yeah, I've got to make this sticky. And also there are some new contents. So I'll just leave that. I'm just going to make this a sticky nav, or I'm going to use position fixed. Let's see. Yeah, it's good. So I've made this position sticky. I think I'm just going to correct the nav and then I'm just going to end this video. Okay, so this will be a short video. So yeah, that will be it. Yeah, yeah, so now it is better. But one thing I've got to do is I've got to reduce the size of this logo, the search, and this bag. All right. Yeah. So I'll just see what is the class. img logo. Let's reduce the width. I think 20 pixel is correct. Yeah, 20 pixel. So logo, I'll go to css file and logo. Pixel, yeah, 33 pixel. I'll just copy this and cart 33 pixel. Perfect. So now I have almost made an Apple clone website. So I had just added this new component, but I don't think there is much coding to do. And if we do this, it is going to be very hectic. It is very small, but yeah, I've done it. So this was it for the video. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.